What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing okay. I'm gonna show you a problem that we did in class, but a different approach. So I'm gonna use the extended Euclidean algorithm using the Bezout identity. Okay, the Bezout identity says that ax plus by is equal to the GCD, where RA is this number and RB is this number. For this, to solve this, the greatest common divisor, you have to do a table, okay? And in this table, you're gonna put right here your reminders. You're gonna put right here your coefficients, and you're gonna use the X and the Y right here. Okay. So we're gonna start solving the table. As you can see, we're gonna put the first number right here, 3003. Okay. Of course, this is our first reminder, though we're not operating yet. So we have a quotient, no quotient, and the X and Y follows this rule: 1 0 and 0 1. So this one goes over here as a rule. So you start operating. You put right here the next reminder, 1449. Okay, so you have to find a number that multiplying 1449 is not going to exceed 3003, and it's going to give you a reminder. In this case we can use 2, right? 2 times 1449 equals 2898, right? If that amount we subtract that amount from this amount, 2003, we're gonna have a remainder of 105. It goes over here. We keep on operating, right? So you have to keep on operating, and you have to multiply this number. The 105 you have to multiply with one number that it can give you a number that is not gonna pass 1449. In this case, you can use 13, right? You multiply 13 times 105, you're gonna get 1365. You subtract 1365 from 1449, you're gonna have a remainder of 84, right? Okay, I hope you're following. So you keep on operating. So now you need a number that multiplies 84, and it doesn't go beyond, doesn't pass 105. So you can multiply 84 by 1, right? 84 times 1, 84. You subtract 84 from 105, and you're gonna have a remainder of 21. Same thing. The 84, you divide times 21, right? And you need a number that multiplying 21 is gonna give you 84. It doesn't pass 84. So you can multiply by 4. 4 times 21 is gonna be 84. 84 with 0 remainder. And that's the 0 that I wanna get it, right? Right here, you stop. So right here, the 21 is gonna be your GCD. Okay, so GCD is equals 21. Now we're gonna use with this process. Now we're gonna find the quotients, right? The coefficients. We're gonna find the coefficients, and right here there's a rule. Okay, right here you have this one, you have to subtract this one and multiply these two. Okay, so right here it's gonna be 1 minus, you multiply these two, 2 times 0, and two times 0 is 0, right? You have 1, it's gonna be 1, right? This one over here, you put it over here, you see? And you do the same thing with this, the next line. So you're gonna use this 0, subtract this, the multiplication of these two numbers. So it's gonna be 0, right? 0 minus 13 times 1. This one equals minus 13, right? 0, 0, you have minus 13 times 1 is minus 13. It's negative, okay? You gotta make sure the signs, don't miss out the signs. It is positive, it's positive, is negative, is negative, okay? So this minus 13 goes over here. Minus 13, right? And you do the same, you follow the same rule. Subtraction of these two. So 1 minus, you have your first number is 1 minus 13 equal, and this one is gonna give you, you see, you gotta be careful right here. This is negative and this is negative, so it's gonna give you, the multiplication is gonna give you a positive. This one is positive, it's gonna give you 14. And this 14 you put it over here. Right here you gotta be careful. You gotta be here, you gotta stop right here. You stop in the line of the GCD. You gotta stop in the line of the GCD. So right here you stop, and you have the X coefficient right here. Same thing, and you finish, and you proceed with the next one, right? So right now we're gonna use the Y line, okay? This one was for the X, right? And right now we're gonna do the Y line. With this one, you have to do this, the same thing, but with the Y column, right? This one, multiply this one, and you see the multiplication of these two, and you subtract. So it's gonna be 0 minus 2 times 1. It's gonna give you, right here 0, 0. Be careful right here, this is negative, so right here is gonna be negative 2. Okay, this negative 2, you put it right here, you see? And you do the same thing, the same process with the next number, you see? I'm using the blue so you don't get confused. Multiplication of these two, and you subtract from 1. So it's gonna be 1 minus, right? Have 13 right? That multiplies minus 2. So right here you see you have a negative. This is going to be positive, okay? Positive 26 with a positive 1 is going to be positive 27. This 27, you put it over here, right? The 27, right? Put it over here. You do the same thing. Remember, multiply these two and subtract. So you have your minus 2, right? Minus 2. Minus, you got a mine, subtract. Minus 1 times 27. And right here, you see, this one is negative and a positive. So when you multiply, you're gonna have a negative. So this one is gonna be negative 27 plus a negative. You're gonna get a negative, so it's gonna be negative 29. And this negative 29, you put it right here. You see, negative 29. And you stop right here. That's it. You stop in the line with the GCD. You stop right there. And this is gonna be this is your X and this is your Y. Okay. Okay, so now, right now, with these two coefficients, you have to replace in the equation. So you replace in the equation and you put it like this. So we have our A is 3,000, our first number, right? 3, right? Times X. Our X is 14, right? Plus B, 1,449. Yeah, times negative 29. Right? This one equals 21. We do the operations. You multiply this one and you're gonna have 42,000 for 42. Right here, you're gonna get a negative. So this is 42, 21 equals 21. And this one is, as you can see, 21 equals 21. That means that these coefficients over here they work. You can check it out, the answers, and that the professor did the example, and you can check it out so you can compare and you can see that it's the same answers. If you're having problem with equations, you can use the table. That's why I'm sharing this. You can use the table. I think is easy this way, but the equations is the way we're learning too. So you know both better. I want to say thank you. I hope you like this video and helps you with these last days of classes, and keep moving forward. Like always say, keep moving forward. Don't give up, and everything is gonna be fine. Just don't give up. If you get tired, just rest and keep on doing it. Okay, I hope you like it.